Alright guys, good morning. Today date क्या है? 14th of December 2018. I'm just back from a little bit of football session that we had, and we're going to start a burning topic today. We're going to discuss something on a topic which is red hot in the market, especially for the owners of this Honda CBR 650F. And that topic is the launch of the CBR 650R. Now I know I've been keeping quiet on this topic since a very long time. Me being an owner of the 2018 CBR 650F, I am the most affected guy. Honda has kind of pissed us off by showcasing the 650R at EICMA, and the rumors are that it is going to be launched here in India in early 2019. It is already there in Thailand market, and it looks amazing to say the least. But hold on, wait, there's more to it than meets the eye. Okay, we're gonna discuss all about that in today's vlog. We are heading off to the mountains. We just headed towards Nainital. Once again, yeah, it has to happen, the mandatory Nainital ride with bro. Yeah, my bro is sitting there as my pillion. Alright, the agenda for the day. First, let me just wear this. It's kind of cold up here in the mountains. Alright, so about 2 or 3 months back, Honda shocked everyone, at least the CBR 650F owners or the Honda lovers, when they unveiled the CBR 650R at EICMA. We were just boasting around that we bought the 650F, and here they are launching a better looking version. I won't say it's a better motorcycle, we'll come to that later, but it's definitely a better looking model. And a lot of the other things also got revealed with time, that they are removing the F badge and putting an R badge because they are making the motorcycle more sporty. They are lowering the handlebar, they are raising the foot pegs a little slightly behind and raising them up. I also initially thought, oh my god, what if this model 650R gets launched in India just in early 2019? I am going to regret my decision of buying this 650F, But then with time, it got revealed that people like me who want a sports tourer, I think still 650F is definitely a much better bike than the 650R. Yes, for all those who are owning a 650F, you don't have any reasons to, regret or feel bad. You see, even the 650F is a stunning looking bike. And the 650R, with the 650R, they've only made it a notch better. With the 650R, they have raised the bhp to I think 92, 93 bhps. The torque is also improved. So the 650F weighs in around 216 dry, and I think the weight has also been lowered by almost about 10 kgs. The front has been changed. Yeah, the front looks much better now. Obviously, the twin headlamps, which are inspired by their flagship model, the 1000RR, the Fireblade. And yes, it looks much better. I was never a big fan of the single headlight unit. I always loved the twin headlamp unit. I thought when I bought this motorcycle, I made a compromise there, because there were no other options. But this in fact is the best single headlamp that I've ever seen, and I don't think you will get to see a better single headlamp unit than this. From the rear, they have the tail light. The tail section remains more or less same. The bike looks more cramped and compact. The way the seat is organized, the rear seat in the 650R, I think the rear seat of the 650F, it's still going to be much more comfortable. Overall, I think if I had to mark the 650R, I would mark it 9 out of 10, and the 650F, I would mark it 8.5 out of 10. So there's not much that much bigger difference. What I'm not very sure about the practicality of the motorcycle as a sports tourer, you know, I don't think you will be able to use it. I mean, definitely people do use super sport for touring, but when it comes to touring, I think CBR 650F will still be a better bike. So that is one point that we can still be proud of, owning a CBR 650F. The other one is the pricing. With the upside down forks, and I think there are few others. लंबा तो पड़ेगा ही. कितना नीचे लेके जा रहा है ये? And there are few other, you know, electronic aids. I think it is having a quick shifter and a clutch assist. Oh shit, बारिश शुरू हो गई है. It has started to rain. भैया मर जाएंगे अगर बारिश हो गई तो. यार ये फोटो खींचने वाली जगह है. ओए ओए. So with the upside down forks and the electronic aids that it is having, the CBR 650R, I am very sure, I mean it is a given that it will definitely be more costly than the 660F. In India, the 650R is you know, expected to be launched at a price tag of around 8 to 8.2 lakhs ex-showroom prices, which means that on road that bike will cost us about 8.70 or almost 9. So at 9 lakhs, the 650R is going to be a costly bike, and I'm not very sure how good it will be when you look at the value for money aspect of the motorcycle, you know. If the CBR 650R goes above 9 lakhs, then there are plenty more options for motorcycle buyers, and I don't really think it will be a wise decision for Honda to launch it above 9 lakh rupees. So guys, the bottom line about the 650R is that it is definitely a better looking bike. It is definitely having more electronic aids and more zing-bing in terms of the USD forks, the electronic, the clutch assist and the quick shifter and all that. But one, 650F is still going to be a better tourer, and two, the 650R is definitely going to cost almost about 9 lakhs, if not more than that. For all those who are planning to buy the 650F, now they should definitely wait for the 650R, because as such I've heard that Honda is not taking any bookings for 650F. And all those who are owning the 650F 2018 model especially, no need to be sad or, you know, feel the regret. That's all I had to say about the 650R, and I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, this is Deepak, the Two Wheels Wanderer, and my bro Tycoon from Nainital, signing off. Right, signing off from Nainital. Till then, this is Deepak, the Two Wheels Wanderer, and my bro Tycoon, signing off. Till then, this is Deepak, the Two Wheels Wanderer, and my bro Tycoon, signing off from Nainital. Ride safe.